Good morning, students. Welcome to your e-learning class. And today I am going to start chapter 9, that is money. As you know, students, 100 paise make 1 rupee, and rupees and paise can be separated by column or by the dot. If we separate rupees and paise by column, we can write by this method. This shows the rupees and this is your paise. And if we separate it by dot, then this is your left part is your rupees and right part is your paise. And now students, addition and subtraction of money. Addition and subtraction of money is done in the same way as for we do it for the whole number. जैसे whole number के addition और subtraction हम लोग करते थे, वैसे ही रुपीज एंड पैसे के भी एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन किए जाएंगे. लाइक एग्जांपल देखिए, दिस इज योर रुपीज, वी हैव टू ऐड रुपीज विद द रुपीज एंड पैसे विद द पैसे. इफ यहाँ पे अगर 100 से ज्यादा अमाउंट आ जाता है तो फिर उसे हम रुपीज की ओर ट्रांसफर कर देंगे, बट यहाँ पे ऐसा एग्जांपल ये नहीं है. देन वी ऐड 50 विद 20, वी गेट 70 पैसे, and this is 5 plus 7, 12, and 1 plus 1, 2. This is your rupees, 22 rupees and 70 paise. Now students, come and solve more question based on this. Add the following. तो इसे हम रुपीज और पैसे को पहले कॉलम वाइज लिख लेते हैं, पैसे को एक कॉलम में और रुपीज को एक कॉलम में. देन वी हैव टू एड इट. दिस इज 0, दिस वन इज 7, दैट इज पैसे, एंड 5, 1, 1, 115 rupees and 70 paise. Now question number 2, subtract the following. Rupees 23.50 from rupees 100. So here we have to subtract 23 rupees 50 paise with the 100 rupees. So rupees and paise, 100 rupees on the top and 23 rupees and 50 paise right down on the bottom of this, and then we have to subtract it, take carry from the 100 rupees, that is 50 paise, and this is your, this becomes your 99, this is 6 and 7, 76 rupees 50 paise. Words column. Riya bought a pen for rupees 15 paise 50, a pencil box for rupees 150 paise, and a set of color for rupees 125 and 75 paise. What must be the total bill amount? So at first we draw bill. Question 3. Riya bought a pen for rupees 15 rupees and 50 paise. Again Riya bought a pencil pencil for rupees. How much? Pencil box for rupees 150 paise. And again, bought a color. Riya bought a color for rupees. How much rupees? 125 rupees and 75 paise. So total bill amount equals to total bill amount is equals to, this one is 5 plus 5 10 plus 7 17, that is 7 is right on here, 1 is transfer, that 1 5 plus 5 10 plus 1 11 1, again 1 is here, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, and this is 241 rupees and 75 paise. And now students, we start multiplication and division of money, where we multiply and when we divide. Rule first, when we have the cost of one and find out the many. जब कभी हमें किसी एक चीज की कॉस्ट पता हो, we have to find out many, then we have to multiply there. वहाँ पे हमको multiply करना पड़ेगा. Like if the cost of one ball is 5 rupees, then find out the cost of 4 balls. Here we have to multiply 5 with the 4. Then we find out the cost of 4 balls. And if the cost of many is given, and we need to find out the one, then we have to divide. ऐसे केस में हमको क्या करना होगा? डिवीजन लगाना होगा. अगर many के कॉस्ट दिए हुए हैं, if the cost of 10 balls is 100 rupees, and then find out the cost of 1 ball, then we have to divide here. यहाँ पे हम डिवीजन यूज करेंगे, डिवाइड करेंगे. Now students, some questions based on multiplication and division. Question number 1 says, the cost of one box of sweets is rupees 515. What will be the cost of 3 such box of sweets? We have to multiply here because cost of one box is given and we have to find out the cost of 3 boxes. So at first we have to write down the statement. Cost of one box of sweets is equals to rupees 515. So the cost of 3 such boxes is equals to multiplied with the 3, that is 5 3 ja 15, 3 1 ja 3 plus 1 4, और 5 3 ja 15, that is 1545 rupees. Cost of 3 such boxes of sweets is equal to 1545 rupees. Now question number 2, a doll costs rupees 151 while a Ball cost rupees 35. Arun bought 5 balls and 2 dolls. How much money does he need to pay? Cost of $1. Cost of 1 doll is equals to rupees. How much? 151. Then how many? Arun bought 5 balls and 2 dolls. So the cost of 2 dolls, we have to multiply it here by 2, that is 2, 5 2 are 10, 1, 2 1 are 2 plus 1, 3. And Arun also bought a ball. Cost of 1 ball is equals to cost of 1 ball is equals to rupees 35. So the cost of 5 balls is equals to rupees, multiplied with the 5 rupees, 5 5 the 25, 2 5 3 the 15 plus 2 17, 175. And next we have to do how much money does he need to pay. Money need to pay is equals to, so money need to pay is equals to rupees 302 plus rupees 175, that is 5 plus 2 7 and 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. 477 rupees need to pay. Next question says, Aryan bought 7 kg sugar for rupees 224. What is the cost of 1 kg sugar? Here cost of 7 kg sugar is given. We have to find out 1 kg cost of 1 kg sugar. So we have to divide it. Cost of 7 kg sugar is equals to rupees 224. So the cost of 1 kg sugar is equals to rupees 224 divided by, this one is 7, so we have to divide it by 7. और यहाँ पे डिवीजन लगाइए, 224 divided by 7, 7 3 जा 21, that is 1 4, 7 2 जा 14. So the cost of 1 kg sugar is equals to 32 rupees. So the cost of 1 kg sugar is equals to rupees 32. So students, this is it for today. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you.